afternoon, Doctor and everyone. Let's continue to the next micro teaching. For the next micro teaching, we will learn about subtopic of differentiation titled Equation of Tangent and Normal to the Curve. So now I will pass the floor to Teacher Mira.
Thank you, Anis. Okay, okay, everyone, are you ready for my class today?
Yes.
Yes.
Can you hear my voice clearly?
Yes.
Okay, good. Okay,
Yes.
let me present my screen. Okay. Okay, so let's start our class. So today we are going to learn about equation of the tangent and normal to the curve. So at the end of our class today, we are going to find the equation of the tangent to a curve and the equation of a normal to a curve. Okay, you may use a chat box to communicate with me. If I ask someone to open your mic, then you can open your mic. Okay, class?
Okay,
Okay,
teacher.
teacher.
Okay. So we recall, first of all, last week I already told you about what is tangent line. So can you type in a text box? What is the definition of a tangent line? I already gave you a clue right here. This one and this one.
Red line.
What? Straight line that touch curve at a point. Yes. Okay, thank you for your response. So, tangent line is a straight line which touch the curve at the point but does not cross the curve. Okay, the straight line that we touch the curve, just touch the curve at the point but does not cross the curve. Okay, so next one. What is a normal line? What is the definition of a normal line? You can type in the chat box. What is the definition of a normal line? I already give you a clue right here. Okay, I give you one. This one. A perpendicular line to a tangent line. Yes, that's correct. So, normal line is a perpendicular line to a tangent. Okay, perpendicular line means that it's 90 degrees to the tangent line. Okay, now let's see the step to find the equation of a tangent line. So I just make it simple and quick. You just need to memorize the rhythm. dy dx, substitute x, find y, substitute formula. I repeat again. Differentiate y, substitute x, find y, substitute formula. Okay? Can you get? Okay, thank you. Okay, now to find, I explain the step. Okay, dy dx means you must differentiate y with respect to x. Then for the second step, you must substitute x value into the differentiate equation that you already done in the first step. Okay, to find the gradient, M1, I denote as M1 is for the gradient of a tangent line. So the third step is substitute x value into the original equation. If the question gives you the equation of the curve, so you need to substitute x into the original equation, then find y coordinate if y is not given. You must find y if y is not given. But if y is given, so please skip step 3. Okay, for the fourth step, substitute the point x1, y1. I denote as x is x1, y is y1 on the line, and the gradient into y minus y1 equals to m1x minus x1. Okay, now we go for the normal line. Can you understand the step for tangent line? Anyone?
Yes,
Yes.
teacher.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you, sir. For the normal line, it only use two steps. The first step is the gradient for a normal line is a reciprocal for a gradient tangent. This is a gradient tangent, so you must make it reciprocal, -1 over m1. Then you get the gradient of the normal line. Okay, for the second step, substitute formula. So use the formula same like the gradient, same like the tangent line. Okay, now I want Siti Afifah Alia help me to finish this equation of the tangent. So I repeat, I tell you the question first. Find the equation of the tangent and normal line 2y is equal to x squared minus 3x plus 2 when 1, 0 pass through the curve. So use this step to find the equation of the tangent first. Siti Afifah Alia, can you help me?
I try, teacher.
Okay.
First we differentiate, right?
Yes. Step
So
1, differentiate y with respect to x.
we will get 2x
Okay, 2x.
minus 3.
All right, correct.
Or
Sorry,
minus 3
3.
only.
Okay, 3. Okay, then step 2.
Substitute x in dy over dx.
Okay, so substitute y over dx is equals to 2.
The x is 1, so 2 bracket 1 minus 3.
Okay, what do you get for this question?
Negative 1.
-1. Okay, so now find y. Okay, so dy over dx is actually a gradient for a tangent line. So I denote as m1 is equals to negative 1. Okay, so for the third step, find y if y is not given. In the question, is it given or not given?
It's given, but y is 0.
Okay, so I denote as x1 is equals to 1, y1 is equals to 0. So okay, step number 3 done. Step number 4.
Use the equation y minus y1 equals to m1 bracket x minus x1.
Okay, and 1 x minus x1. Okay, now we substitute all the gradient and the point inside this general equation of a straight line. So y
Y
minus
minus 0 equals to negative 1 in bracket x minus 1.
okay. So simplify for me.
Y equals to negative x
Hmm?
plus 1.
Okay, good. So are we done?
Uh,
We'll make a
Yes.
conclusion. Make a conclusion,
conclusion.
okay? Therefore, the equation
Of tangent line is y equals to negative x plus 1.
y is equals to negative x plus 1. Okay, we done for step in equation of the to find the equation of the tangent line. So next step, I want Nurakila Fika, can you help me?
Yes, teacher, I can help.
Okay, good. Okay, so to find the equation of the normal line, the first step,
The first step is
m2
y equals to rewrite the m2. M2 equals to negative 1 over m1, and then we will get
what is m1? M1
negative
is
1,
-1. Okay, -1 over -1.
and the simplest form is 1.
Okay, good. Then for the step 2,
Step 2, x1 equals to 1 and y1 equals to 0.
Okay, you
And
declare
then set
denote first. Y1 is equals to 0. Then,
And then substitute into the formula.
Okay.
Y minus y1 equals to m2 times x minus x1.
Okay, now
And then
substitute.
substitute y minus 0, 1, equals to 1, x minus 1.
X minus 1.
And then we will get y equals
Simplify.
to x minus 1.
Okay, thank you, Akilafika. So are we done or we need to?
Conclusion.
Oh yes, make a conclusion. So therefore,
Equation of normal line is y equals to x minus 1.
okay, correct. So, okay, that's it. So as for the conclusion, the equation of a tangent to a curve is y minus y1 equals to m1 x minus x1. So in order for you to find the m1, you need to substitute the x value into a differentiate equation. So equation of the normal line to a curve is y minus y1 equals to m2 x minus x1. In order for you to find the gradient of a normal line, you need to reciprocal for the gradient tangent. Okay, that's all for me. No homework for today, so thank you for all your attention.
Yay!
Wow.
No homework.
Yes.
Nak homework.
Hey, don't.
Never
Okay,
mind.
Lafika.
Next
Let's
week
play.
I give you the homework, okay?
Okay, teacher.
Okay, teacher.
Thank you.
Okay.
teacher.
Welcome.
Good job.
Okay,